wabarakatuh and good day. Welcome to LIS Ika Inusrantau 2020. A very good morning, dear all, especially to the jury of presentation in this LIS 2020. Today, I am Nur Hafiza Ismail from Department of Information Technology and Communication, Polytechnic Mersing Johor. Will present about Etiquette of Unified Modeling Language in the infringement of health data retrieving for information security. For this topic or title of research, there are 4 keywords we choose in this research, which refer to information security, unified modeling language, web interface design, as well as high-speed data retrieving. The issues of this research of this study is regarding to the challenges regarding of weakness in reporting the disapprover bystanders, doubtful and infringement cases occurred. As an introduction, the worldwide information is momentous to perform smooth activity, especially for the data retrieving. In this context of system analysis and design, the practice of UML has provided an approved notation for the analysis models. And in this research, the practice of UML is applied to determine expedition function and encompasses the development of system, particularly in information security field. For the purpose, the approach of shaped language UML modeling has been chosen and utilized as a method to perform data retrieving during conducting analysis and design for the system. In this utilization of practice, the modeling technique has assisted the development of secure information system in the process of storing, retrieving, and also reporting health data in the computerized structure. Okay, let's relook at the introduction. The adoption of digital transformation as well as the technology gadgets and has been the potential urgency and very crucial, of course, for the work routine dimension. As we know, information system plays an important role, and as well as IT or information technology also deployed by the companies recently. It is all to ensure the effectiveness and efficient accomplishment. According to Zhang 2020, Pereira, Spech, Sivla, and Medler 2018, the operating unit of progress, cooperation, as well as the sections of policy making, executive units, and many others are the section for management tasks. For the statement of problem or the issues for this research is regarding to the technology has give the management of documentation. We can find the technology has fast and need accurate decision, and this will decrease the technology or the time duration. It takes more time, and also the issues of loss or missing according to natural disasters such as fire or flash flood and not handled with outstanding IS or information system, as well as it will give the insignificant implications. Thus, in this, according to this problem, we need a consciousness recovery by using unified modeling language and for the research objective, we have 3. So, to determine the expedition function encompasses the development of system, particularly in information security field. And number 2 is to assist the development secure IS for the procedure of storing, retrieving, and also reporting the health data. And number 3 is to perform data retrieving during conducting analysis and design of the system using UML. So the usefulness of UML in this modeling technique has 3 procedures, which involves storing, retrieving, and reporting health data in a computerized structure. As in the literature review, as we know that the criminality of data description characterization is pertinent, especially in the information security field. according to Ritonga, Monter, Result 2020, and also Tabassum 2018. And the main threats to the data privacy, according to Zano 2017, it involves about the smooth process of IS. It's important because we need to store, retrieve, and report of data, which is implemented by the system administrator or SA. It is regarding to the various processes because we have many data, and also the infringement of data can be possible to happen, especially in the process of unauthorized access, improper data disposal, data theft, data loss, and also computer hacking might occur. It is according to RYC, Hugh, Hussein, Ahmad Khan, and Ahmad 2020, and also Zhao 2021. And we can see about the methodology for this research. It is regarding to the standardized reference samples and also requirements of IS development, and also the graphical imaginativeness of system behavior. Because of what? We have a unified modeling language in order as a diagram in a structure of object-oriented programming, and in the context of behavioral view, it indicated the UML as a graphical imaginativeness of the behavioral consummation of a system, because UML can be applied in recent times and also can determine the requirements of development of IS, especially for the diagrams and OOP context. The etiquette of UML can be obtained according to the output of these three diagrams. What are the three diagrams? Let's look at the acquisition of the first one is use case diagram. Number 2 is about activity diagram. Number 3 is sequence diagram. According to these three diagrams, we have specific guidelines during the standardization. Includes about scrutinization of users, health data retrieve, as well as the actions based on the actor. Who are the actors? Of course, the actors must from patients, from health information manager, from database admin, and also COVID-19 registrar. Due to we are in the mood of still in the pandemic or endemic, move to the endemic of the COVID-19 outbreak, it is still necessity for us. The acquisition of this result of this research is also supported by the Zhang 2020 and the researchers regarding to the use case diagrams practice. And for the next page about use case diagram, we have 4 actors, which we can see here from the diagram of UCD. We have patient, HIM, COVID registrar, and also database administrator. According to these actors, there are several roles that we need to perform in order to make sure that all the errors can be checked, the coding can be run in a proper way, and also the registration can be run in a smooth practice. And also is to detect if any infringement occurs in IS during the recording the patient's information. So we can see here also the elements of the design of application domain regarding to the Zhang. It is to avoid the infringement of health data retrieving, and the roles of actors are very important in this case because we focus for 4 main cases, which refers to the patient, database administrator, health information manager, and COVID-19 registrar. And for the activity diagram is also the findings for this research. We can see about how the process of well-sorted interface presence between computer and end user has performed the significant interaction in diagram of activity. You can see here, you can see the testing, the process of testing, and also all the related activity that needs to be tested and to be defined. And also about the sequence diagram. The sequence diagram also can assist the login process, the verification message, and also it is including about actors and end users in the by the process of activation boxes. So all in all, as a conclusion, we know that the development of IS requires user access verification involved in the digital data for process of examining, keeping, recording and reporting, as well as we can see about the momentous method by using shaped language UML to perform the digital data in the process of analysis and design phase. And all we can see about the design of this UML has filtered secure admittance user and improved the performance, as well as in the future we just suggest that we need to consider strategies, more ethic features for smooth data storage and to ensure high-speed data retrieving for information security. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.